Southampton. I loved it. Simple, easy. Let's cut the energy there.
Where is Southampton?
Southampton is out on Long Island, in a very posh part of Long Island, the Hamptons. It's right across the street from Shinnecock Hills and behind National Golf Links. It's a bit of a mecca for, I think, blue-blooded American golf in this country. Not a place the strap boy usually finds himself, but I enjoyed it. Kind gentleman, Keith O'Halloran, invited me to play, and I took him up on the offer, so I drove out from my apartment in Brooklyn, and we had a lovely round. I was gonna say delightful, but I'll use the word lovely. I felt like it was the dive bar of high-end American golf, where, you know, it felt like a place where everybody knows your name, where you go in, the locals, you know, you can pony up to the bar, no one's gonna be like, hey pal, you're in my seat. It felt like very welcoming for a private club. That might be pretty good.
That is pretty good.
We like that. We're picking it up. The flop shot got me. The golf course is an absolute template extravaganza. It's a sweepstakes. If you like Seth Rayner, it's one of the last courses he designed in 1925. Apparently, some call it like his home course. I don't know. I'm not the architecture, you know, guru of the NLU crew, but it felt like a home course. So you name it: Punch Bowls, Biarritz, Alps, Eden, Redan, baby, you got them all.
All right, this is the 6th hole. It's a par 4, dog leg left. We have a bunch of bunkers out here that are 255 into the wind. I can't carry them today. A huge fairway to the right. You're going straight up the walking path. Anything walking path and right, you'll be in the fairway, but adding distance to the second shot.
What's your favorite hole?
My favorite hole, number 6, the Rayner's prized dog leg. I had a story behind it, which Keith shared with me.
This is Rayner's prized dog leg because he came up with the design for this hole during a magazine's architectural contest. He sent in this design, won the contest. His hole was put on a golf course, and then he put that design on his golf course.
And you think it's the best one out there?
It's the best one that I have played.
And also there's a little secret path back there to get over to Shinnecock, where I guess the members at Southampton were able to sneak into the US Open. So that was pretty cool. The Biarritz was outrageous, not quite as outrageous as like the one at Yale, but still, like if someone built it today, they'd probably get fired, which is always sick. And actually sneaky, one of my favorites was number 16, the Punch Bowl. Flat piece of land, but still a blind shot into the green. And the Punch Bowl looks like the bleachers at Yankee Stadium. And they got like little cutouts where you walk through and then you're like walking by them. It's like almost like the sod looks like bleachers. So that they're just like fun visuals, fun architecture, and cool to see what both Rayner and I think Brian Silva, who redid Southampton, or restored it, excuse me, did with a flat piece of land. Also a tale of two nines out there. So kind of tree, like corridors, a lot more trees on the front nine, and then the back nine opens up into some great views, more, but just open land. And then a nice finishing, almost like nostalgic finishing hole where you come back to this clubhouse. It looks like a barn, you know, mega lights out. You know, it's just a great day out there. It's great day to be a golfer.
Oh, we did it again. Oh my God.
That'll work.
What'd you shoot?
I shot an 83. For all you handicap snipers out there, I think I shot an 83. Actually looked, it wasn't in the system, so I think I forgot to post that score. But I didn't play that well. I made a mess on the front nine, and then I made a mess on the Biarritz on the 14th hole. But I ended up keeping it between the mayo and mustard, and I won the match against Keith, and we had a bet that if he won, he'd get anything he wanted from the NLU Pro Shop. If I won, I got anything I wanted from the Southampton Pro Shop. What do you think I got?
A hat.
A bucket hat.
Really?
Yeah.
There you go.
Overall, I love the place. I can't, you know, I would love to play again. I would say I can't wait to get back, but that's not really my choice. But I absolutely loved it.
Let's go.
Go. Oh.
I think the back nine being wide open, and you getting all these really good sight lines, visuals of all the bunkering and how a lot of it's hidden, and then you're looking back over the hole you just played, and it just has this really cool, like, almost impact on your depth perception. And I just felt like it was a historic place. So that's what I would say. It felt very authentic and old school, and also approachable and welcoming. For someone that's, again, not super architecture driven, it's the kind of place you would go if you weren't into architecture. You'd go and be like, oh God, now I get it. Like, this is kind of like a museum. This is really cool. So a bit of an aha moment for me.